Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will check out the two different ways to switch on and switch off our LG AC without using a remote control. So let's check it out. We all get a remote control like this to control our LG air conditioner. We can use this to turn on and turn off our AC just like that. We can also use our LG ThinQ mobile app to do this. But to configure this on a smartphone, I guess we need to have our remote control first for that. So we will share two other ways to switch on our LG AC and also switch it off. I'll explain them one by one now. The first method is by using a button on the LG AC. By default, I think all the latest LG ACs or even other brand ACs come with a forced operation switch button. It may not be directly visible, sometimes it will be behind the swing flap. Here we have one, we just have to adjust the swing and we can see it here at the top. We can press it once to switch on. As you can see, it works fine. Now if we want to switch it off, we have to press it again, that's all. This is a neat way to do this without the remote control, but we cannot control the temperature or anything else here. The second method is by using IR Blaster remote. But to do this, we need a smartphone with IR Blaster remote built-in feature. This feature helps us to control some of our electronic devices easily without doing any additional setup. Take a smartphone and go to IR remote, this one. And here we can select this plus button here to add our air conditioner. We can select which AC brand we are using, and after that we just have to follow the instructions. We already made a separate video about this. I'll link it in the description for you. And after configuring everything, we will get this icon with the AC name. We just have to select this. So we will get a remote like this on the screen. We have all the buttons options here. Just like our physical remote, we can find all the necessary options. And here we have the power on, power off button as well. And the best thing is to configure this IR remote thing. We don't even have to use our remote control for this. So here we have the option to do that along with almost all the buttons we usually get on our physical AC remote. I'll show you how this works now. First, take your smartphone with the IR remote feature and go to your AC. And now we have the power on, power off button. We just have to select this once to turn it on and press it again to turn it off. That's all. So that's all. These are the two ways to control our LG AC without any remote control. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.